Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very nutritious and the most delicious way to cook cabbage. Now cabbage is very delicious to eat if you do not add too many ingredients to it. You could eat this like a salad, or you could eat this as a side dish as well. So I'm going to show you a very easy stir fry, Chinese stir fry, how to make this cabbage. So let's get started. How do we make this cabbage now? Alright then, first I'm going to do is, I'm going to first start by adding oil to my wok. Just about 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, I'm going to add my next ingredient. My wok is now nice and hot. I'm going to add my cabbage now. I've roughly chopped about 1 full cabbage. I'm going to add that. That's how it's spindles. Also to this I'm going to add, I've also chopped up 2 bell peppers, green bell peppers. That will add extra flavor to my cabbage. Okay. Give it a nice mix now. This hardly takes a few minutes to make and prepare, and is the most fastest and the most delicious way to eat cabbage. Try this at home. I'm sure you will all love it. Just steam up rice, some rice, and the steamed rice just tastes absolutely divine. Okay, now the next ingredient I'm going to add is oyster sauce. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of oyster sauce, about a teaspoon of light soy, and I'm going to use chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of chicken stock. If you do not want to add chicken stock, you can add vegetable stock powder as well. That all depends on what you would want to use. Okay? I'm going to quickly now stir this. Once everything is mixed, what I'm now going to do is, I'm going to cover this and lower my flame and let it steam for about a minute or so, and my dish will be ready then. Once you start seeing steam coming out, that means my dish is now ready. I'm going to take this lid off first and check. See? Just going to quickly stir it now. So here you go, my stir fry cabbage is ready. Do not overcook your cabbage. This is perfect. Let's try one. Still have that crunch and absolutely not raw. I'm going to turn off the flame now and serve it. If you like this recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get further notification about my next recipe. Also don't forget to click on the like button so that, and also share my recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will enjoy this. Try it at home. So easy and so delicious to eat. Trust me, you will never want to try cabbage again other way. If you like Chinese food, do not like to, if on a day where you don't want to eat too much of spice, this is the best comfort food that you can eat. So delicious to eat and very nutritious as well. Alright then, see you next time. Bye bye.